This is the video and audio quality of the Samsung A40 at around arm's length. This is the video and audio quality of the Samsung A40 around 2 meters distance using its main back camera. This is the Samsung A40 using its ultra-wide lens at around 4 to 6 meters distance. Please keep in mind that this is actually some of the widest I've seen on a phone. Perhaps you should check out my A80 also. I think it's somewhat in that comparison. Okay, so this is a test of the dynamic range on the Samsung A40. I'm filming it directly opposing sunlight, and if there's a lot of wind in the mic, it's because it's a hell of a lot windy here in Denmark today. But what we want to look for in this is how well does it compensate for the various amounts of light that's put into the finder as we switch positions. This is of course Greta Thunberg, as always, and we're looking for how well the Samsung A40 is doing this. I can tell you just straight out of the bat, compared to phones like 4 years ago and many more years ago, it's a lot better. This is a test of stabilization on the Samsung A40. How well does it stabilize if you hear a lot of wind in the phones, because it's a very windy day here in Denmark. But you want to check out and always have control of the picture by using the selfie cam if you're a serious vlogger. That's why I'm using that for this test. And right now I'm moving into a tunnel to check for contrast and how well the Samsung A40 copes in these situations where it's a very dark foreground and a very lit background. As you can see, it chooses to focus on my face, and luckily for that, if you're a vlogger, you want that focus, of course, to be on you and not some very lit background. You can also see the colors actually pretty good, and there, bang, goes the sun into my face. And we're very happy vlogging, and I'll do this final twist that I always do onto the green patch right there. This is the quality of the evening shot using the selfie cam on the Samsung A40. And I only got 3 light sources in the room. I got that one, I got that one, and I got this one. Always being the most difficult one, because how fast does it shift its focus and realize that I'm in this spotlight, and how well does it give light to my face. That's up to you and Andrea to decide. But this is if you're going to vlog indoors at night using the Samsung A40. Please remember to subscribe, like, and give this video a comment if you enjoy Vlogger's Delight. Please remember to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy Vlogger's Delight. Delight? The groovy delight? She's been famously known to smoke on the screen.